Harry's Hatchery and Dr. Seuss books all have in common?
I don't know, what?
You can find them all at the Johnsonburg Domtar Mill.
What I like about Domtar and the paper industry as a whole is just the vast opportunities that we have here.
What's cool about manufacturing from my perspective is the fact that we could take a bunch of chemicals and mix them together to be turned into paper.
The paper production is basically a two-step process in which the tree is first converted into pulp and then the pulp is converted into paper. Harvest tree is first chipped and then cooked in a digester to break the wood fibers down into brown pulp. The brown pulp is then bleached white and further processed. The bleached pulp is then sent to a paper machine where it is then converted to paper. On the paper machine, the pulp is drained, pressed, and dried to produce paper. The last part of the process is to convert the paper to the roll that will be sent to the customer to be converted to the final products.
On the paper machine, we make paper at almost 40 miles an hour. That means years' time, we make enough paper to go the whole way to the moon and back.
What I think is so cool about manufacturing is all the equipment that it's required to take this wood chip, turn it into the pulp, which is used to make the paper, which is sent all around the world for books, and it just sparks the imagination of readers.
I love Harry Potter, and I also love Dr. Seuss, and the paper that those were printed on were made here at the Johnsonburg Mill.
What I like to call is the 3 Ps, is the people, the process, and the quality product we put out, and the pay's nice. So I guess that's important.
So you can see there's a vast opportunity and needs that we have here at the mill. So there's always an opportunity to do something unique.